Okay, here is a Lennox and a Daikin central air conditioning unit at a commercial building in Iowa City. Currently not running. And this unit is a Value series, I think. This unit's a 310 from 1999. And then here's this Daikin. Looks newer. Might have replaced Lennox like that before. And there's data for that. I can't get to it that well. But yeah. And don't think it's been running. And I think this Lennox has a reciprocating compressor, probably a Tecumseh. Has a newer motor by the looks of it. It's a Century. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of these two units. Anyways, thanks for watching.